LOL party is always full of surprises. Don't get confused, just open it. Puzzles, stickers, accessories, and the doll herself. For the first idea, take a black makeup sponge. Round the top with nail scissors. Dip a brush in acrylic paint. Draw a white tummy. Add wings and feet. Mark the eyes and draw a yellow beak. What a cute, squishy penguin! Take one more sponge, cut a donut shape. Draw a colorful glaze. The LOL doll can't get enough of these cute squishies. What a great way to start the school year! The silly penguin and a yummy donut are fun to squeeze and as soft as a delicate cloud. For another idea, you'll need a box from perfume. Take the bottle out of the box. Cut one of the walls. Cut a shelf out of a piece of cardboard. Hot glue it to the box. Decorate it with pieces of shiny foam paper. Attach square beads as legs. What a nice shelf! Put flower pots and LOL accessories on the shelves. This stand made out of a cardboard box will look great in your room and will keep your doll organized. Next up, take a piece of soft plastic and sequin foam paper. Cut out 2 rounded pieces. Put hot glue on the edge and attach a piece of light pink foam paper. Glue the plastic. Make a cut in the upper part using a utility knife. Attach a gold cord. Hot glue on handles. Draw a bunny face using a capillary pen. Glue on foam paper ears. What a trendy design! The LOL doll wants to show off her stuff, so she uses a transparent backpack. That's so stylish! Here's another idea for LOL dolls. Take an ink refill out of a pen. Cut off the excess. Decorate the pen with colored hot glue. Attach a gold chain and a pom-pom. This is a cute pen, perfect for an LOL doll. Writing with this pen makes every note and assignment fun. Plus, the fluffy keychain makes it soft and cute. You'll need a paper clip and a bell for the next idea. Unbend the paper clip, leaving one hook on the end. Attach the bell to it. String beads on the wire. Bend the edges and put the paper clip in a metal bolt. Use hot glue. Put some Elmer's glue on the base. Attach sequins. Add an LED light to the bell. Knowledge lights up the world, but it's also useful to keep a desk lamp in the classroom. Isn't it glamorous? Here's what you can do with a spiral notebook. Cut off the edge. Decorate the cover with green foam paper. Trim the excess. Apply a drop of hot glue. Attach a fluffy white pom-pom to the foam paper. Cut out a flamingo's head and legs out of sequin pink foam paper. Draw a beak with a black marker. And an eye. Glue the pieces to the notebook. This notebook with an exotic flamingo on the cover won our LOL doll's heart. She likes her notebook so much that she never puts it down, even at recess. Now let's take a piece of shiny foam paper, toothpicks, and an eraser. Cut the eraser in half. Apply hot glue and attach a piece of foam paper. Insert toothpicks in the corners. Trim the legs. Cut the rest of the eraser into pieces. Cover it with foam paper. Glue the chair and the back together. Fasten legs made out of toothpicks. Who said that school furniture has to be boring? Our doll loves her sparkly desk. Who knows? Maybe she'll come up with an idea for saving the world at this desk. Check out another idea. You'll need a utility knife and markers. Take a marker apart. Cut off a small piece from the body and the tip of the cap. Put the body into the cap. Seal the tip with hot glue. Collect colored glue into the empty tube. Attach a mini Elmer's glue label. Cover it with the cap. Now your LOL dolls have their own glue. Ooh! We have never seen glue this cute before! For the next idea, take a brush and masking tape. Cut off some of the bristles. Attach tape, leaving some bristles out. Trim them. One brush obviously won't be enough, so make a few at once. Use a blister pack as a palette. This idea makes it easy to bring color to your LOL doll's life. Now take a wood ruler and a utility knife. Cut the ruler into long pieces. Glue them to make a crossbar at an angle. Add one more crossbar. Glue a stick in the center. Fasten a leg as a stand on the back. Now your LOL doll has her very own easel. Just insert a canvas and start painting. Beautiful! Not even Da Vinci had something like this! For this idea, take sequin fabric and a zipper. Turn the edge and cut off a piece of fabric. Sew the edges. Turn it right side out. Attach the zipper. Wow! The sequins look beautiful in the light! Put mini supplies into the pencil case. Done! This pencil case will calm your nerves, and the sequins can adjust to show the doll's mood. LOL dolls can have a bad day too, after all. Did you get a new painting? That's perfect! We were just thinking that we needed protective rubber corners. Cut them in half. Also get some pieces of plastic. Glue the plastic between the corners. Insert the second piece of plastic. Glue one more corner in the middle. Cover it with pink acrylic paint. Use a foam brush to make the paint lay flat. Draw a face on the outer wall. What a cute school supply organizer for LOL dolls! Books, notebooks, and folders? This pink stand holds it all! For the next idea, you'll need a piece of blue satin. Sew the edge of the fabric by hand. String the second edge on thread. Pull it together. Make a belt out of an elastic band and put it on your doll. Apply some hot glue. Fasten the fabric all around. Attach a gold cord. Make a teeny tie from the same fabric. The doll loves her anime-style school uniform. Her friends will definitely appreciate her new look. Next, take some beads and pencil lead. Put the beads on the lead. Put another drop of glue on the slate and another bead. Decorate the tip with a pom-pom. Experiment with flowers and create unique pencil designs. These pencils are adorable! The doll won't let go of them, no matter what. They are perfect for drawing in her mini sketchbook. For the next idea, take a piece of gray cardboard. Cut out 2 rectangles and a strip of the same size. Glue the pieces to colored paper. Use Elmer's glue. Mark it up, then cut it along the lines. Cut off the corners. Glue the edges. Now take some white paper and a needle and thread. Fold the paper in half. Sew them in the middle. Sew a few paper pieces together. Stick the sheets of paper into the yellow cover. Cover the cardboard with Elmer's glue. Sprinkle it with pink glitter. Now take a piece of colored cardboard and red thread. Glue the thread between the cardboard pieces. Thread the needle. Make a cute tassel by piercing the cardboard edge. Attach a star sticker and draw a simple decoration. Glue the bookmark to the cover. This thick notebook will last your doll the whole semester. And the bookmark will help her find the right page in her notes as soon as possible. Regular paper clips are a little too big for LOL dolls. Here's how to fix it. Use pliers to unbend the paper clip. Break off the tip. Bend the edge to make a paper clip like this. Decorate it with a rhinestone. Make a few different paper clips. Now they are small enough for the LOL doll to be able to decorate her whole mini office with them. Which one of these school ideas will you try out for your LOL doll? Comment below and like this video, subscribe to Troom Select, and don't forget to click on the bell and share the video with your friends.